Are you ready to break free from the chains of financial uncertainty? Do you dream of a life where you're the master of your money, not the other way around? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into a journey that starts at zero and ends at financial freedom. We've got 10 powerful, actionable steps that will set you on the path to financial independence. So buckle up, because we're about to turn your financial dreams into reality. Welcome to Budget Boosters, where we make finance simple and easy to understand. Our goal is to provide you with easy finance tips to help you improve your financial future. Whether you're interested in personal finance, investing, or just want to learn more about money, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Let's work together to boost your budget and take control of your financial future. Cultivate a wealth mindset. The first step towards financial freedom is to develop a mindset that embraces wealth. This isn't about wishing for a lottery win or a sudden inheritance. It's about truly believing in your ability to create wealth through your own efforts. Visualize your financial success. Picture what it will look like, feel like. Remember, your mindset can either make or break your financial journey. So start cultivating a positive, wealth-embracing mindset today. Set clear financial goals. Define what financial freedom means to you. Is it having a certain amount in your bank account, owning a home, or being debt-free? Once you have a clear vision, set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals to guide your journey. Break down your big financial goals into smaller, manageable steps. This will make your journey less overwhelming and give you a clear path to follow. Create a budget and stick to it. A budget is a roadmap to financial freedom. It helps you track your income and expenses, identify unnecessary expenditures, and allocate funds towards your financial goals. But creating a budget isn't enough. You need to stick to it. Make budgeting a part of your daily routine. Review your budget regularly and adjust it as needed. Remember, a budget is a living document that should evolve with your financial situation. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and financial emergencies can derail your journey to financial freedom. An emergency fund acts as a financial buffer and ensures that you stay on track even when unexpected expenses arise. Start by saving enough to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Then aim to build an emergency fund that can cover up to a year's worth of expenses. This might seem like a big goal, but remember, every little bit helps. Start small and build your emergency fund over time. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Consider creating multiple income streams, such as a side business, freelance work, or investments, to increase your earning potential. This doesn't mean you need to work 24/7. Look for passive income opportunities that can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. The more diverse your income streams, the more financially secure you'll be. Invest in yourself. Your knowledge and skills are your greatest assets. Invest in education, training, and personal development to increase your value in the marketplace and enhance your earning potential. This could mean going back to school, taking an online course, reading books, or attending workshops and seminars. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. Minimize debt. High-interest debt can hinder your journey to financial freedom. Make a plan to pay off your debts as quickly as possible, starting with the ones with the highest interest rates. This might mean making sacrifices in the short term, but it will free up more of your income for saving and investing in the long term. Also, avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary. Remember, the less debt you have, the more of your income you can keep. Invest wisely. Investing is a powerful tool to grow your wealth. But it's not about getting rich quick. It's about making informed, strategic decisions that will pay off in the long term. Learn about different investment options, understand the risks involved, and make informed investment decisions. Start small and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable. Remember, the goal is not to make a quick buck, but to build long-term wealth. Surround yourself with financially savvy people. The people you surround yourself with can influence your financial habits. Seek out mentors and peers who are financially savvy and can provide guidance and inspiration on your journey. Learn from their successes and mistakes. Engage in conversations about money and wealth. The more you learn from others, the more equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Stay committed. Achieving financial freedom is a long-term commitment. It's not going to happen overnight, and there will be challenges along the way. But don't let that discourage you. Stay focused, be patient, and keep pushing forward even when the journey gets tough. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal of financial freedom. And there you have it. Those are the 10 actionable steps to achieve financial freedom from scratch. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, perseverance, and a whole lot of determination. But with these steps, you're well on your way to turning your financial dreams into reality. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips. Thank you for watching, and remember, the path to financial freedom starts with a single step. So, take that step today.